and what's going on? Keesha here, and today's video is going to be, y'all already know, another wig installation video. And I'm super excited because y'all love my last installation video, and I'm so in love with these pre-styled wigs. It makes no sense. So today's video is sponsored by WestKissHair company. As you guys can see, and I like this little lip print right here. But y'all, we're gonna just go ahead and unbox this bad boy because y'all are going to be in love when y'all see what is inside. I took a little peek and I was like, yes, because when I say it's almost impossible for your girl to style a wig. I've learned, and I want to say almost mastered, how to install my own wigs, how to plug, how to tint the lace, do all of those different things, even lay my baby hair. Working on actual curls and layers and all that other fun stuff. But to actually style it, I can't even really braid on real hair. So let alone styling a wig, braiding on a wig. So y'all already know what kind of wig we're getting into. So, oh wait, hold on. Before I share with you guys the wig, I always gotta share what's inside the box. So thank you, WestKiss, for sending your girl a nice bonnet. And this is a cute color. I don't have any bonnets this color. Who got kids? Y'all, because y'all can relate. If y'all hear my kids in the background, y'all already know. Moms, check in. Let me know in the comments below. Moms who need a wig, check in right now. Because the kids gonna be the kids no matter what. But anyways, I got an HD wig cap. And I also got an edge brush with the comb because your girl always needs that comb for that little extra swoop to swoop. They sent over some lashes. Y'all, these are ba boom. Can y'all see this? These are ba boom, honey, because your girl is gonna fly away if she put those on. And then I also got the edge band, as you guys can see. And last but not least, I have my drawstring bag from WestKiss. So thank you for all of these items. Now for the fun part, and that's the wig. This is the wig. So this is a glueless unit. Just to start, I had another glueless unit. So this is gonna be a real compare and contrast. I'm not really comparing this wig to the other one, but I did have a pre-styled wig in my last video, as you guys saw, and I did end up having to make some tweaked adjustments as I wore the wig. So we're gonna see what this wig right here does. So right out of y'all, I'm not even gonna hold you up, because when I say these waves are so gorgeous, y'all may see this on my head out of town this weekend. Because do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Now, I've been wearing curly a lot recently, but this is wavy, so there's a difference. This is a wave texture. Before it was a curlier texture, but this is super, super pretty and very similar in design, but is the quality even better? Is the fit of the wig even better? I have a very small head. So that's one thing to also keep in mind. But it looks like, hold on y'all, let me get it together. Hold on, let me show you guys the inside because that is important. So it is a pre-bleached knot, combs on the inside, adjustable strap right here, the band right there, like all of the above, and it has this extra lace back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that lace off like so. Hold on, it's about to fall. Gotta catch it with my knee. Okay, there we go. So we got that extra lace cut off, and then we're gonna go straight into putting her on. So I'm gonna take her from the back right here and unlatch her on both sides, so I can really, I'm gonna latch her on the back of my head so I can see where she is and where she fits. Hold on, can't get the other one off quick enough. Why am I having these technical difficulties? Okay, there we go. And I already got the lace, the band already. I think this is a good length. So we're gonna go ahead and put her on straight like that. Hold on, I'm gonna tighten it. Hold on, y'all. Hold on before I bring her up. Moment of truth, drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're gonna pull her back just a little so we can see. Hold on, let me bring this down so y'all can see. Let's get her out. Let's get it together. So, first impression before I cut any lace or do anything, I love the fit of this wig. It literally fits my head perfectly, and this is a small. So this, like, I'm not having any issues with maneuvering this wig. So that is a plus for me because, like I said, and the other pre-styled wig, it came and it seemed like it was fitting good at first, but there were a little things I had to tweak and adjust, and I could not get the best wear out of that wig because of how it fit on my head. So thank you so much to WestKissHair because you guys literally fit the wig perfectly to my small size head. It also helps a lot when you have that adjustable band in the back because it just helps secure it a lot. So I've told you guys in the past, whenever I show you guys these wigs, sometimes it is a plus for me to have that adjustable band in the back, and sometimes it's a nuisance. Like, I don't like to feel it if it was a little too snug and it's just really uncomfortable, too much pressure or whatever, and I don't like wearing it all day long like that. But for sure, for this one, this wig in particular, I absolutely love it. So now I'm gonna step back. Hold on, y'all, I have my shirt all the way up. So now I'm gonna step back and show you guys what length the wig is looking like right here. And I am going to wet it just a little bit and add some mousse to it so you guys can see. But what I also think, hold on, I'm trying to see. Oh, I'm trying to see. Like, they already got the little baby hairs right there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys is if you guys are a beginner, hold on, let me make sure the braid is in the middle of my head. I'm gonna just take the scissors like so. You guys see that? And then you're gonna just cut. You just cut. You don't gotta make it perfect. You don't gotta make it perfect. And then follow that. You guys see? Can y'all see? Because I can't see. Like, I literally, y'all know I wear glasses. I haven't even put my glasses on. But I literally cannot see anything. Like, they got this lace bleached to the gods. Because, honey, all I see is my skin. I'm gonna come even closer. Do y'all see this? Like, this is a really, really good wig. So like I said, I do wear glasses, so let me go ahead and cut the rest of it and make sure I'm not cutting no hair. And y'all, the wig is all of that. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I genuinely thought that this wig was not going to fit after I cut that lace off, because very seldom does a 13x4 or a frontal lace wig that's glueless actually stay put like a glueless unit is supposed to. But I'm here to show you guys otherwise. Y'all, I'm super impressed. I'm super impressed. So I'm gonna just take some of this. Hold on, let me put it because I got a little bit too much. So I'm gonna just take some of this and kind of like lay down my baby hairs. Let me put down a little bit more over here. Just put some of that right there. Not too much. Literally, y'all see it's still glueless. I don't want y'all to think I'm tricking y'all. It's literally still a glueless unit. And I'm just making sure, like so. Get this little piece out of my head. And then now, okay, so now let's go ahead and wet the hair. I don't feel like I need to soak it, so to speak. It's not tangled, it's not even puffy, to be honest. Typically, like when you first get the hair out the packaging, you want to make sure you focus on like the ends of the hair, because it could have, especially if it's like a longer length, it could have gotten a little, y'all know, y'all wear hair. This ain't, y'all not new to this. And if you are new to this, that is very normal to get your wigs out of the packaging when it's much longer, because it had to be pretty much folded up or adjusted so it can fit inside the box. So you want to just kind of make sure. But y'all, this is, like I said, it wasn't no competition, but ain't no competition like the real competition, because y'all, this hair is, this wig overall, not even just the quality of the hair. When I tell you guys my opinion about wigs, I'm literally speaking in totality. I'm talking about how it fits, how it styles, how easy it is to manage, if it sheds, and some of this hair did come out, but that's just because I just cut the lace, so I was expecting some of the hair to come out, because I don't like putting it on my floor, especially when I just swept up. So yeah, let me put a little bit more mousse. Now y'all then took it up a notch with styling the hair, having the wig scent that's already styled. That is a big deal for me, because now it looks like your girl is doing something different, and I am, because this is so freaking pretty. Like, it's so different. Okay guys, so you never can go wrong with a little bit of your powder. This is my MAC powder, and I literally can just put this around the parameter of the wig. If I don't have makeup on and it does have like a little bit of a discoloration between my skin, but to be honest, this wig does not have any discoloration whatsoever. Like, literally blend it right in. And like I said, obviously I have on my makeup, so that can definitely play a big part in it. But I love this wig, y'all. I really do. So if you guys love this wig as well, and I mean really love this wig, y'all already know what to do. Please leave me a comment below. All the information to purchase this wig or any other wig or product on their website will be in the description box. So let them know how much you're loving their company, how much you're feeling their company. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.